Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to auto-reply in Facebook Marketplace. If you're selling items on Facebook Marketplace and want to set up auto-replies to potential buyers, I'll guide you through it step by step. We'll be using a third-party tool called ManyChat. ManyChat helps you set up basic automations for Facebook Messenger, including automatic responses for marketplace inquiries. First, go to ManyChat's website and sign up for an account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to ManyChat. Simply log into your Facebook through ManyChat and allow access to your marketplace. Once connected, go to the automation section in ManyChat. Here, you'll be able to set up your auto replies. You can start by creating a default reply. This default message will be sent automatically when someone sends you a message about an item you're selling. To do this, select Create Automation and choose the trigger User sends a direct message. Now, you can type the message you'd like to send as your auto reply. For example, you can say something like, "Thank you for your interest in this item. I'll get back to you as soon as possible." You can customize your message further by adding images, quick reply options, or any additional details you want. Once you've finished setting up your auto reply, click Publish. Now, whenever someone contacts you through Facebook Marketplace, this message will automatically be sent. That's it for setting up auto replies on Facebook Marketplace using ManyChat. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.